Welcome to Little Sparkle's Art. Today, I am drawing the alphabets with capital letters and small letters. Let's draw and color them together. First, I'm drawing the letter A. Now I'm drawing the letter B. Let's draw the letter C. I'm drawing the letter D. I'm drawing the letter E. Let's draw the letter F. Let's draw the letter G. I'm drawing the letter H. Let's draw the letter I. Let's color the letter A with red. Capital A. Small a. Let's color the letter B with orange. Capital B. Small b. Let's color the letter C with green. Capital C. Small c. Let's color the letter D with yellow. Capital D. Small d. Let's color the letter E with pink. Capital E. Small e. Let's color the letter F with yellow. Capital F. Small f. Let's color the letter G with blue. Capital G. Small g. Let's color the letter H with red. Capital H.
Love is true. Found my partner. Love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lulu. Skip
Small
to my
h.
Lulu. Skip to my Lou. Lulu. Skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Let's color the letter I with orange. Capital I. Small I.
Yankee Doodle went to town a-riding
Let's draw the
on a
letter J.
pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle.
I'm drawing the letter K.
Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now I'm drawing the letter L. Let's draw the letter M.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
I'm drawing the letter N. Let's draw the letter O.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Now I'm drawing the letter P.
Keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Let's draw the letter Q. Now I'm drawing the letter R.
Yankee Doodle went to town a-riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle.
Let's color the letter J with green.
Mind the music and the step, and
Capital
with the
J.
girls be handy.
Small j. Let's color the letter K with red. Capital K. Small k. Let's color the letter L with orange.
Capital L. Small l.
Let's color the letter M with blue. Capital M. Small m. Let's color the letter N with yellow. Capital N. Small n. Let's color the letter O with blue.
Capital O. Small o.
Let's color the letter P with pink. Capital P. Small p. Let's color the letter Q with red. Capital Q. Small q. Let's color the letter R with green. Capital R. Small r. Let's draw the letter S. I'm drawing the letter T. Now I'm drawing the letter U. Let's draw the letter V. I'm drawing the letter W. Now let's draw the letter X. I'm drawing the letter Y. Let's draw the letter Z. Let's color the letter S with green. Capital S. Small s. Let's color the letter T with red. Capital T. Small t. Let's color the letter U with pink. Capital U. Small u. Let's color the letter V with yellow. Capital V. Small v. Let's color the letter W with blue.
Capital W. Small w.
Let's color the letter X with orange. Capital X. Small x. Let's color the letter Y with red.
Capital Y. Small y.
Let's color the letter Z with green.
Capital Z. Small z. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.